What's up, my crypto legends? In today's episode, we'll be checking out the BTC US dollar chart, and I'll show you that the $60,000 target is imminent right now for the next coming days. We'll be checking out the ADA US dollar. As you can see, my target met perfectly from my last video. If you watched my last video and you took this trade, absolutely amazing. Congratulations. We'll be checking out Microstrategy prepares to purchase over $1 billion in Bitcoin after completing debt offering, and banks will be required to work with crypto, e-money and CBDCs to survive. All of this, guys, in today's episode. If you're getting value of this content, make sure to smash up the like button and subscribe, and let's go straight into the video. Hello there, Andy here, and welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus, where you subscribe for the quickest technical analysis and news on Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and the financial markets. I am not a financial advisor, so don't buy or sell anything that I say, and if you do so, do your own research. Said this, let's go straight into the charts. As you can see on the 15-minute chart, we are just above $58,000, and we are going to hit $60,000 very, very soon. In between yesterday and today, we can see that we formed this inverse shoulder, head and shoulder pattern, and the measured move from this breakout would be getting from the head to the neckline, and from the breakout right here, this would take us just above $60,000. But also we've seen other patterns in the past here on bigger time frames that the $60,000 was imminent, guys. As you can see, if I go here on the 1 hourly chart, we did talk about this target here in my other videos. You can see this line that I've got here is just around the $60,000 area. This is the pole coming into this pennant. So from the breakout also would take us to the $60,000, and we are just about going to get there. We're just getting more bullish patterns, and as you can see now, the latest one is this inverse shoulder, head and shoulder pattern. We broke out, and the measured move is the $60,000, guys. So if you did take this trade, congratulations. I did not put this inverse shoulder, head and shoulder. I was late for this one, but sorry guys. Tomorrow I'll be with more updates and some possible trading opportunities, so don't miss out. And if you're not subscribed yet, please do, because I do give trading signals almost every single day. Checking out the ADA US dollar chart. If you saw yesterday's video, I was predicting this possible breakout from this bull flag for the ADA US dollar chart. This could possibly take the ADA US dollar pair all the way to the $1.20 here, the $1.19, as you can see here on the chart. And we absolutely perfectly met the target, as you can see on the chart. Just basic technical analysis sometimes is just so accurate, it is incredible. And if you don't know where to trade the ADA US dollar pair, you can do it on Femix. Femix has still got this great promotion going on. They got 2 days left. You can get up to $680 if you use my link to trade with. If you deposit 0.1 Bitcoin, you can get $50, but if you use my link, you can get $80 on top of that, guys. So make sure to take advantage of this situation. Going back to the ADA US dollar pair, these huge candles and this huge amount of volume is providing nice support for the ADA US dollar pair, as you can see on the 15-minute chart, just above the $1.08. So I need a little bit more price action to see if I detect any patterns or any trading opportunities. But make sure to subscribe to the channel, because tomorrow morning I'll be coming with some updates and technical analysis, possible trading opportunities for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and possibly ADA and Chainlink. So make sure you subscribe to the channel for these updates. Let's check out the news today. Microstrategy prepared to purchase over $1 billion in Bitcoin after completing debt offering. In a new post on the company's website, the publicly traded firm announced that it's wrapping up its offering of convertible notes in an effort to acquire more funds to buy Bitcoin. The offering, which closed on February 19th, allows qualified institutional investors to purchase unsecured notes from Microstrategy, which have a maturity date of February 15th, 2027. Microstrategy reports earning approximately $1.03 billion from the sale of its notes and plans to use the entire of those funds to purchase more Bitcoin. Microstrategy estimates that the net proceeds from the sale of the notes will be approximately $1.03 billion after deducting the initial purchases, discount, and commissions, and estimated offering expenses payable by Microstrategy. Microstrategy intends to use the net proceeds from the sale of the notes to acquire additional Bitcoin. The move appears to fall in line with Saylor's strategy to maximize the firm's Bitcoin holding in order to position itself favorably within the digitizing monetary landscape. We have two strategies, and one strategy is to grow our software business, and that is a good business. It makes a lot of money and it is growing. Our second strategy is to acquire Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is the emerging dominant digital monetary network. It's going to be hundreds of times bigger than Google or Facebook. And when companies like Amazon plugged into the internet, people didn't say, are you an internet company or are you a retail company? I think they're a technology company who embraced the future. Everybody is eventually going to plug into the digital monetary network, just like everybody eventually plugged into the internet. And I couldn't agree more with this, guys. Bitcoin is the digital gold, it is the digital store of value, and there is mass adoption coming now slowly but consistently. It's going to be just like the internet. Everybody's doubting, it is slow, and suddenly everything just gets mass adopted. So the same thing is going to happen during these years with Bitcoin. Let's take a look at the next news. Banks will be required to work with crypto, e-money, and CBDCs to survive. The global monetary landscape will have everyone storing electronic money, cryptocurrencies, and central bank digital currencies in one bank. Imagine a scenario where you need different messengers to send different types of messages. For example, WhatsApp for text messages, Viber for audio, Telegram for video, etc. Rather inconvenient, right? But this is exactly what happens in finance. There is no way to send both digital fiat money and cryptocurrency from a bank account without extra steps. It's not affecting the masses just yet, but after the issuing of national digital currencies or central bank digital currencies in the next few years over the world, the situation is about to become complicated. We need to start looking for solutions now. CBDCs require a multi-format framework. The traditional financial system can't brush off new technologies anymore. According to the Cambridge Centre for Alternative Finance, the number of cryptocurrencies users has almost tripled from 35 million people in 2018 to 101 million people in Q3 of 2020. Another study conducted by researchers from the United Kingdom's Financial Conduct Authority reveals a 78% increase since 2019. And here you can see lower bound estimate of total crypto accounts and users from 2016 to 2020. You can see the exponential growth of total number of accounts and total number of users. And this is just going to grow and keep growing. And if the banks don't join in to give these services, they're going to miss out in this huge opportunity of this financial revolution, and it's totally dangerous for them. Guys, this is going to be it for today's episode. Make sure to check out the Bitcoinsensus website. We've got great tutorials and reviews on how to buy, how to store, and how to trade Bitcoin. We've got the latest news and technical analysis, so I'll be leaving a link in the description so you can check it out. And if you haven't seen the best tutorial of the GDX leverage trading platform, I'll be leaving a video popping up on your screen. A massive thank you for tuning in. Make sure to smash up the like button and subscribe for coming updates, and I'll see you in the next one.